Hey everybody, hope your day's going well. Just for fun, I'm going to backtrack into 2018 and open a box of Topps Gallery. 2 autographs and the potential to get some nice parallels. There are 20 packs in this. It's a full-size box. There's some of the stuff you can get out of here. The 2018 rookie class, of course, is solid. Solid as a rock. You can also get player private issue. Those are numbered to 250. What else? Oh, this box did take a little bit of a beating on the way here, unfortunately. And I'm not helping matters by not being able to open it. There we go. Alright. Green, blue, orange, red parallels. There are printing plates. There are parallels to the autographs. Sketch cards, cut signatures, 1 in 66,000 plus. And an original artist painting, 1 in 177. So, plenty of goodies to look for. There is this, which is kind of bent, so hopefully it's not. Let's go ahead and look at this. See what this is. Looks like it says David Ortiz. Art by Chris Penix. Well, that's pretty cool. I don't remember getting one of these in the boxes I opened last year. It's really nice. Alright. Cool. Get the packs out of here. Out of the boxes I opened when this first released, I didn't get anything worth writing home about. No big autos or anything like that, so maybe today is the day. Just what the pack. Oh, I always forget what the pack looks like. Let's open it. Starting off with a Clint Frazier rookie, and there is Aaron Judge, Abreu, Mookie Betts, Heritage, and Adrian Beltre. There's a Robles rookie, McCutchen, Ohtani rookie, very nice. Sandy Koufax Masters, and Longoria. Austin Hayes rookie, Taylor, Gallagher rookie, Davis, and Kingery rookie. Easy. Throwing my packs around. Walker Buehler rookie, Peters, Pujols. That's a really nice looking Smoltz. A younger Smoltz. That's cool. Rizzo and featured artists. Freddie, Romero rookie, Stanton, Jordan Hicks rookie, and Mikolas rookie. Ozzie Albies rookie, Blackburn, Stevens rookie, Buster Posey, and Garcia. Machado, Grandal, Greinke, Tyler Wade rookie, and there is the small version of this. Next up we have Dominic Smith rookie, Didi Gregorius, there's an Acuna rookie, very nice. Are you kidding me? Look how nice that is. Wow. Jose Canseco autograph. That is so sweet. Holy crap, that's nice. Wow. Man. So cool. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is really nice. Put you over here. Easy. That's really sweet. Severino is the last card. Wow, that's cool. Go ahead and set one here for my other auto. That's the best auto I've ever pulled out of gallery. There's a Devers rookie. I've hit all the big rookies in this box too. That's been nice. Is that Cozart? Is that? Yep, that's my other auto. That's not bad either. Wow. Two really solid autos out of this box. There is Babe Ruth, black and white. I don't know if it was supposed to be black and white or if that's a short print or variation. I don't remember. I honestly don't remember. Sit back there, Canseco, so I don't knock you over. Wow, I can't get over that. That's so nice. Alright, Berrios, a Soto rookie. Trevor Story, Bryce Harper heritage, and Arroyo rookie. Roddy rookie, Banda rookie. Luke Weaver, Cody Bellinger heritage, and Brian Anderson rookie. Arena rookie, a really young Ryan Sandberg, Chipper Jones, very nice, George Brett, very nice, and Ripken, man. This is a good pack as far as just players go. Free rookie, Woodruff, Bo Jackson. There is a George Brett insert of some sort. Hall of Fame gallery. George Brett. And then wrap that pack up with a Nolan Ryan. Watching Nolan Ryan and who else? Randy Johnson. Watching those two pitch. I will never forget watching them pitch. No matter how old I live to be. There's that Cozart base. Kyle Farmer rookie. Upton. This is a J.D. Davis rookie, and it's also the private issue. There's the numbering. Orano rookie. Stratton rookie. Mike Trout, very nice. Caratini rookie. David Ortiz, that is Masterpiece. And Chris Sale. Hap, Pavetta, Yelich, Clint Frazier, Rookie Heritage, and Will Clark. Fulte, Irina, Kyle Seager, Barreto Apprentices, and Godley. Alright, just 3 more to go. Peralta rookie, Hernandez, Soraka rookie, another Hall of Fame, good old Reggie Jackson, Blake Snell. Kluber, Gleyber Torres rookie, Bryce Harper. Nice, a Chipper Jones player private gallery. I can't talk. Player private issue. That's a good one. I might give that to one of my friends. I've got a friend, she loves the Braves and love Chipper Jones. Garrett Cooper rookie, Trey Turner, Gomez rookie, Clemente Masterpiece, and Contreras. That was a really good box. That was a fun box to open, just like I hoped it would be. 2 good autos and a lot of other goodies. About the best you can ask for. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Hope you're doing well. Take care of yourself, and I have so many other products coming up soon. So everybody stay tuned, check in, and yeah, that's it. Bye.